Hello fourth class, get ready for today's SS class. As you know, we are doing block 18, our animal wealth, and today we will learn ways to protect animals. Now please open your content book of SS and read the story A Home for Animals. It was the first time Radha and Rashi visited the zoo. They were very excited because they had read that zoos kept a lot of wild animals like lions, tigers, zebras, giraffes, bears, elephants and monkeys. They bought their tickets and entered the zoo. Inside the zoo, they saw that most of the animals were in big cages. Some children were behaving badly and throwing sticks and stones to inside those cages. केजेस के अंदर छोटे छोटे बच्चे क्या कर रहे थे? स्टोन्स और स्टिक्स को फेंक रहे थे. These animals were trying to escape from the cages but could not. The cages were locked. One day, Radha and Rashi were watching television. They saw many animals roaming around a place which had thick trees, open spaces and streams. It looked like a forest. The lions and tigers were in their dens, and the leopards, elephants, foxes and deer were moving around freely. The monkeys were jumping from one tree to another. All they could see were animals. There were no humans anywhere. The girl's mother told, तो उनकी मॉम ने उनको बताया that this was an animal sanctuary. Animal sanctuaries are places where animals are kept safe and protected when forests are cleaned in. जब भी forests को clean कर दिया जाता है तो animals को यहाँ पे रखा जाता है. In sanctuaries, animals roam around freely and do not live in cages. Guards protect these animals from hunters. Animals get food and care as well. Radha and Rashi wanted to know how an animal sanctuary is different from a zoo and wondered where animals would really want to live. और वो बहुत ही वंडर हुआ, उनको सरप्राइज फील हुआ कि ऐसी भी जगह हैं जहाँ पे एनिमल्स रहना चाहेंगे अच्छे से. I hope story is clear to you all. Now tell me, where did Radha and Rashi go? Radha and Rashi went to zoo and saw animals in cages. Do you think they liked what they saw at the zoo? They did not like children throwing stones at the caged animals. Clear? Now tell me, what did they see on television? They saw an animal sanctuary on television. How was it different from the zoo? Unlike zoo, animals here were kept in large open areas which had forests and streams. Unlike the zoo, there were no people watching these animals in the sanctuary. The animals were moving freely. I hope you understand that. Now tell me, where are animals better protected, a zoo or a sanctuary? Let's discuss some important facts about this lesson. Animals are better protected in an animal sanctuary. They can live in open spaces, get proper care and food, but people cannot come and watch animals like they do at zoo. जैसे कि वो zoo में आते थे ना animals को देखने के लिए, यहाँ पे नहीं आ सकते. Animals are given the same importance as humans. They can live like they would in jungle. Animal sanctuaries are supposed to be well protected by guards so that nobody can hunt or kill animals or clear forests. Countries also have large land and forest areas like animal sanctuaries to protect animals. These are called national parks. In India, there are many animal sanctuaries and national parks to protect animals. Now students, tell me, how can animal sanctuaries become unsafe for animals? Animal sanctuaries कैसे unsafe हो सकती हैं? If the guards do not do their duty properly, people can enter in an animal sanctuary and still hunt animals for their body parts. In Assam, many rhinos have been killed by hunters in an animal sanctuary. I hope you understand that. Now, please open your content book of SS at page number 11 and read lesson number 4. Role of animal sanctuaries. We need to save animals from these dangers. We can keep them in animal sanctuaries or national parks. An animal sanctuary is a place where animals are brought and protected. They are kept in large open areas that include forests and streams. Like sanctuaries, there are also other large areas of land and forest to protect animals. These are called national parks. Some animal sanctuaries and national parks of India are the Kanjiranga National Park, Sundarbans, Jim Corbett National Park, Bandhavargarh, Kanha and Panna National Parks, Gir National Park and the Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. There are about 100 national parks and over 400 wildlife sanctuaries presently in India. Can you think of the other ways to protect in our country? एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट करने का आप कोई और वे सजेस्ट कर सकते हो? सो आई होप लेसन इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. नाउ these are your keywords: sanctuary, national park. You have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now please open your worksheet. First question is, underline the animals that are likely to be protected in animal sanctuaries. जो एनिमल सेंचुरीज में रखे जाते हैं उन एनिमल्स के नेम को आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. लाइक लायन, टाइगर, एलिफेंट. काऊ को तो हम घर में भी रख सकते हैं. लेपर्ड, राइनो, क्रोकोडाइल एंड डियर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2. हाउ डू यू think an animal sanctuary looks? Draw a picture of animal sanctuary in the box. Show the features that tell us that the animals are well protected. आपको पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है और आपको ये भी ड्रॉ करना है कि वहाँ पे एनिमल सेंचुरी में कैसे एनिमल्स को प्रोटेक्ट किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लास्ट क्वेश्चन. राइट वन डेंजर दैट एनिमल्स फेस इवन इफ दे आर kept in a protected place. So if the guards do not do their duty properly, people can enter that place and still hunt animals for their body parts. Clear? Now you have to complete this worksheet. Now you have complete practice question number 7. How does an animal sanctuary help protect animals? Animal sanctuary कैसे help करती है animals को protect करने में? You have to complete this question. Thank you everyone for watching this video.